Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will talk about sum and the difference formula. In here we have the triangle. So from this figure we can find the sum and the difference formula. So we already know in this left side we have the area of ABC. It's equal with the area of ABH. ABS, let's say this one is first, and then plus area of triangle ACH, let's say this is number 2. So what's the formula of area ABC? Okay, we want to find the area of triangle ABC. We already know what's the formula of area triangle of ABC is half times area of ABC times CB times B or C times correct, sinus A. Okay, everyone, equal area of triangle ABH. ABH is half times C times H times sinus X plus, okay, let me clean this one, change this one position to be here, it's C, plus half times, okay, area of ACH is BH sinus Y. BH times sinus Y. Okay, everyone, from the right side and then the left side we can times by 2. Okay, we can times by 2. Okay, so this is equal BC sinus A equal CH sinus X plus BH sinus Y, everyone. Okay, do you understand from here? So each side we can divide it by BC. Okay, divided by BC. So this one is left, sinus A equal, we can cancel each other, C and then C, it's left H over B sinus X plus B and B we can cancel, so H over C sinus Y, everyone. So we get sinus A equal H over B sinus X plus H over C sinus Y. Okay, from here we already know we have the angle of A is equal X plus Y, everyone. Okay, the angle of A is X plus Y. So from here we can get cosine Y. From here we can get cosine Y equal, look at the second area. From here we can get the cosine Y. Cosine the adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So this one equal H over B, and then we have cosine X. Cosine X is equal, because cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse is H, adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's equal H over C. Okay, so we have cosine Y H over B, and then cosine X equal H over C. So from here, we can substitute this cos Y and cosine X to be here. Okay, so the result is sinus A equal H over B equal cosine Y. So we can writing sinus X in the first, sinus X times cosine Y plus H over C is cosine X, so this one is cosine A times sinus Y, everyone. Okay, and we have angle of A is equal x plus y. So we can substitute angle A to be x plus y. So here, sinus x plus y equal sinus x cos y plus cosine x times sinus y, everyone. Okay, from here we get the first formula of sum of sinus. I mean, this one is first. So we want to find the difference about the sinus. Okay, so from here let we replace y to be minus y, everyone. Okay, we replace y to be minus y. That the purpose to get sign difference. Okay, so sinus x plus minus y equal, okay, sinus x times cosine minus y. Okay, let me erase this triangle plus cosine x times sinus minus y. Okay, remember in the grade 10 you already know if the cosine minus x it's equal cosine y, and then if the sinus minus y it's equal minus sinus y, everyone. So we have the just cos minus y it's equal cos y, and the other is still have minus, everyone. So from here we can continue sinus x times cosine y. Okay, because this one minus, so we put in here, so this one is minus cosine x times sinus y. Okay, everyone, so we have the sum and the difference from sinus formula. So from here we can make the nickname of them if you want to remember. So I can write for sinus x plus minus y it's equal sinus x times cosine y plus minus cosine x times sinus y. So I will give you the nickname if you want to easier to remember. We can take the letter in the front of the sign and then in the letter of the cosine. So from here we take SE, from here we take co, and then SI. Okay, so the nickname from here I give, but if you want to have another nickname it's okay, but for me I try to remember using C co C. C co C is like in the middle, like nowhere the name, but I put this. Okay, so the nickname from sinus x plus minus y is cipit. So that's explanation about sinus, sum, and the difference. Okay, so now we will continue to the cosine, sum, and the difference formula.